Okay, let's get real for a second. I got married way early than most of my friends, most of the people in today's age. मैं बस 24 साल की थी. There was no pressure from my family or my husband's family. Rather, I wanted to get married. And now when I look back at it, I think it wasn't a fairy tale at all. We both were very young. He's just 2 years older to me. छोटे ही थे यार हम लोग. मैं 24 की थी, वो 26 का था. We went through a lot. We learned a lot. But here's the thing. Just because I did it or someone else is doing it, you don't have to do. As boyfriends and girlfriends, an unmarried couple still very okay with certain things. शादी के बाद अचानक से ना आपके अंदर कुछ change हो जाता है and then things start to act differently. Ask yourself these 6 questions and figure out if you are actually ready to take that big leap. I'm going to give you a rapid fire. तो ये कुछ questions थे जो मैं आपके सामने रखना चाहती थी और मैं चाहती थी कि आप लोग सोचो इस बारे में before you say yes to that dress, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pooja and today's video is going to be very special because this is going to be yet another episode of Struggles of a Corporate Girlie, where I talk about everything from careers, dreams, dating, relationships, marriage, basically all the struggles in between. This video right here is not to scare you off in any means. Rather, it's like a little sit down and let's be honest sort of a video. In this video, I'm gonna help you figure out whether you're actually ready for marriage with just simple 6 questions you need to ask yourself. I won't be giving you any answers, but I would rather be sharing my own experiences, which are fully tried and tested. I've been married for 5 years and I think I am in a position where I can actually help you figure out if you're ready for marriage or not. So without any further ado, let's get started. I just want you to sit down and just think about it while I am telling you a few things, and I think that way you can at least be honest to yourself. You don't have to watch this video with your friends or family. This video is just for you to help you figure out whether you are actually ready to take that big step. I'm gonna talk about my own experiences and I would love if you can just sit down and try to give or think about these answers while I'm putting those questions in front of you. I want you to be very honest to yourself. First thing that you need to be sure of is yourself when you are actually thinking of getting married. I won't waste your time any further and I'll dive into first question. Would always be about emotional readiness. Are you even emotionally ready for this ride that we call one hell of a roller coaster? Because let's be honest, love is cute, but marriage crazy. It is all sorts of drama, all sorts of romance, all sorts of real life messy bits and beautiful bits combined together. So the first question that definitely you should ask is, do you even know what makes you happy, and do you know yourself enough that you are able to pull yourself out of certain situations that could get messy? अभी तक तो लोग यही कहते आए थे तुम अपने पार्टनर को अच्छे से जानते हो ये सब, but honestly the first question for you to be asking yourself should be, do you know about yourself? It sounds simple, right? Such day and age where we are so busy, we do not get the right kind of time to spend with ourselves. It is because of that this question becomes more important. These are the kind of questions you should ask yourself. Do you know what actually makes you happy? What ticks you off? What you need from your own life? Because if you're expecting your partner to give you all the happiness that you should find within yourself, your marriage is going to be a disaster. My next question to you would be, can you handle the tough talks? शादी में बहुत ज्यादा भसड़ होती है. शादी के प्रोसेस में भी, प्लानिंग में भी, उसके बाद भी कुछ साल आप एक दूसरे को समझ रहे होते हो और आपको बहुत ज्यादा टफ कॉन्वर्सेशंस और ऑकवर्ड कॉन्वर्सेशंस करनी पड़ती. तो अगर आप ऐसे बंदे हो या बंदी हो जिसको इन सब चीजों से भागना या डिस्कम्फर्ट फील होता है, देन यू रियली नीड टू थिंक इट थ्रू एंड वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ टू मेक योरसेल्फ बेटर बिफोर गोइंग इनटू अ मैरिज, बिकॉज otherwise it is going to be hell for you. I'm not trying to scare you off, but I'm just spitting truth bombs right away. मैंने ये खुद देखा है. If you are comfortable being yourself and putting your emotions on a platter for your partner, then your marriage will work for you. Otherwise अगर कुछ भी एक barrier है ना, तो you need to really work on yourself with your partner of course, और कभी कभी अकेले भी, because कभी कभी हमारे खुद में ही कमियां होती हैं और हम अपने पार्टनर के साथ उसे क्लियर करने की कोशिश करते हैं, बट रादर हमें अपने ऊपर काम करने की जरूरत होती है. तो आई थिंक once you are okay having these conversations or tough talks with your partner, then I think you're probably ready. Otherwise, you first need to figure it out yourself and then try to make it work. So the question that you need to ask yourself is, am I ready to feel that discomfort while having conversations? Am I ready to do these tough talks? If yes, then go for it. The next question is very important, and I think this is the it question in today's day and age. Are your life goals aligned? You can't be walking parallelly your entire life. There should be a point where you just coincide and walk together. You need to understand what your partner wants from their life and what do you want from your life. The kind of things you want from your life should somewhere align. I will just put it down very openly for you. Career ना कितना चाहते हो, क्या चाहते हो, कितना घूमना चाहते हो लाइफ में. Do you want to explore the world? Do you want to buy a house? Do you want to buy a car? Do you want kids? No kids? Pet? No pet? Your belief systems, or whether you are okay leaving your parents, whether you're not okay living with your parents. I have seen couples who are the cutest, the best people, but they don't work out just because their future plans don't vibe. You really need to be very sure of what you want from your life first and what your partner wants from their life. Because if you have different career goals, if you have different ambitions, if you have different plans, that sort of becomes a problem after marriage. Normal सा example दे सकती हूँ. अगर किसी बंदे ने सोच के ये रखा है कि मुझे इंडिया के बाहर ही अपनी लाइफ चाहिए, and your partner thinks the opposite way, then it becomes like a challenge for both of you, because you want to make it work, but then you also want to stay true to yourself. Similarly, having kids these days is also a very, very tough spot that people put you in sometime, just because the partners themselves don't know what they're doing with their life. तो कभी कभी ये सारी conversations अगर शादी से पहले हो जाए, या आप इनको खुद शादी से पहले figure out कर लो, तो आपकी बात की life easy हो जाती है. Because in today's day and age, these are the kind of conversations you need to have with yourself and with your partner before deciding whether you want to get married or not. Otherwise, that's the reason why the divorces are happening. And I think बहुत जरूरी है ये सब अपने आप से पूछना, अपने आप को figure out करना, ताकि अपने partner के साथ अपनी life बना सको. So the question that you can ask yourself is, what does your future look like to you, and does it align with what your partner is thinking? I think the next question that I'm going to put right in front of you has been there since forever. Are you okay managing family dynamic without losing your mind? Because trust me, हम इंडिया में हैं, हमारी शादी आज भी एक इंसान से नहीं पूरे खानदान से होती है. And which I think is a very beautiful thing about Indian marriages, because two families come together and then they start together as one family. But at times it becomes challenging for both the partners, because कभी कभी आपकी फैमिलीज बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट होती हैं. आप अपनी जान भी लगा देते हो ना एक दूसरे की फैमिलीज के लिए, तो वो खुश नहीं होती हैं. अगर आप उस जोन में हो कि आप ये सब चीजें मैनेज कर सकते हो, तब तो आप सोच सकते हो कि शादी में जाने के लिए. अदरवाइज इफ यू जस्ट एडिंग ऑन मोर प्रेशर इनटू योर लाइफ, एंड अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द फैक्ट दैट आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू स्केयर यू ऑफ, आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग फैक्ट्स आउट देयर, बिकॉज आई नो these things happen, and when they happen to you, life becomes very, very crazy. अगर आप उनकी फैमिली को बिल्कुल भी नहीं जानते होगे, या ये नहीं पता होगा कि आपके पार्टनर के डायनामिक्स, उनके मॉम के साथ क्या है, उनके डैड के साथ क्या है, भाई बहन के साथ क्या है, फैमिली में किस तरीके के ट्रेडिशंस हैं, कितनी मॉडर्न है, कितनी कंजर्वेटिव है. अगर आप मॉडर्न फैमिली से हो तो क्या आप इतनी कंजर्वेटिव फैमिली में एडजस्ट कर पाओगे, या आप अगर एक कंजर्वेटिव फैमिली से हो और वो बहुत आउटगोइंग है, तो आप क्या वैसे अपने आप को चेंज कर पाओगे, या कोई जरूरत भी है चेंज करने की, या दे विल एक्सेप्ट यू एज इट इज. तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस ना आपके दिमाग में, एटलीस्ट आई डोंट नो शादी के बाद क्या हो जाए, बट एटलीस्ट व्हेन यू आर अग्रीइंग टू डू समथिंग, दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यू शुड क्लियर इन योर माइंड कि हाँ, मुझे इंस्टेंटली जाके ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होंगी. तो क्वेश्चन इज ऑलवेज बेटर देन क्योर, आई बिलीव. देखो, गारंटी तो किसी भी चीज की नहीं होती, शादी के बाद बंदे पलट भी जाते हैं, बट एटलीस्ट इन योर हार्ट यू विल नो दैट आई वाज श्योर इनफ टू बी साइनिंग अप फॉर दिस रिलेशनशिप, एंड नाउ इफ द थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड देन अनदर स्टोरी ऑल टुगेदर, बट एटलीस्ट आप कुछ जानते हुए कुएं में नहीं कूदते हो. आई नो दीज आर टफ कॉन्वर्सेशंस, और बहुत ज्यादा कलेश भी करवा सकती हैं अगर आपको ढंग से बात करनी नहीं आए. बट नोइंग ईच अदर्स फैमिली also sort of helps you avoid any drama, and even if you cannot avoid it, it helps you get prepared for it. समझ आ जाता है, एक आइडिया लग जाता है कि हाँ ठीक है, इतना ही हो पाएगा मुझसे, और इतना ही ये फैमिली से करवा पाएगी, या मैं इतना ही कर पाऊंगी. ये सब चीजें आप पहले ही सोच लो या पहले ही प्रिपेयर हो जाओ, तो ये बेटर रहता है. एंड आई थिंक इफ यू आर अ बॉय वाचिंग, देन इट इज योर ड्यूटी टू टेल योर गर्ल कि हाँ ये चीजें, सिचुएशन मेरे घर में खराब है, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग देख ले. या अगर आपको पता है यार कि आपकी बंदी नहीं एडजस्ट कर पाएगी आपकी फैमिली, तो जस्ट ट्राई टू tell her all of this in advance, because I'll tell you my experience. Gautam was very clear from the beginning that I am from a typical Tamil Brahmin household. We have all these kind of rituals, traditions. Would you be able to, manage it? Because if you don't do it, you might end up hurting elders of my family or my mom. ऐसी चीजें मतलब उसने बता रखी थी. Though it still came as a surprise to me, I'll be very honest, but I was still somewhere in my heart convinced surprised that this guy literally showed all his cards and there is nothing मुझे एकदम से surprise करा, which I feel itself is enough for you to be able to navigate all these things. Because अगर आपको एकदम से कुछ शॉक सा मिलता है ना, कुछ सरप्राइज सा मिलता है, तब और गुस्सा आता है कि यार क्या है, मतलब व्हाट इज दिस, ये तो हम बात कर सकते थे या ये चीजें अवॉइड हो सकती थी या जो भी। बस यार ओपन रहो, क्लियर रहो एक दूसरे के साथ शुरू से। इवन इफ इट्स एन अरेंज मैरिज, ट्राई हैविंग दीज कॉन्वर्सेशंस बिफोर यू डिस्कस योर्स एंड योर पार्टनर्स सैलरी, बिकॉज आई थिंक ये कॉन्वर्सेशंस जो है ना भाई, ये शादी के बाद होती है तो बहुत कलेश होता है, ये शादी से पहले होनी बहुत जरूरी है, चाहे लव मैरिज हो चाहे अरेंज मैरिज हो। आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी, कैन यू टॉक अबाउट money with each other without getting weird? Can you talk about your expenses, your debts, your finances, your saving, the future that you're planning ahead? I'm not saying कि सब कुछ अच्छा ही होता है तभी बात कर पाते हैं. Even if you have a lot of debts, a lot of expenses, you have your commitment, तो ये चीजें आप पहले से बता दो. I am a big advocate of the fact that अगर आप अपने पार्टनर को पहले से चीजें क्लियर कर दो, आपका पार्टनर भी प्रिपेयर हो जाता है और अच्छा ही लगता है किसी के सामने आप सच बोलो. मुझे लगता है कि अगर आपके पास ज्यादा पैसे नहीं भी हैं और आप भाई कर्जों में चल रहे हो, आपके क्रेडिट कार्ड भरे पड़े, आपको शादी करनी है, तो भाई अपने पार्टनर से ओपन होके बता दो कि दिस इज द सिचुएशन राइट नाउ, मे बी वी कैन पोस्टपोन द मैरिज और वी कैन फिगर आउट आवर फाइनेंसेस एंड देन गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. या फिर इफ यू आर ओके विद द फैक्ट दैट यू हैव डेट्स एंड यू स्टिल वांट गेट मैरिड एंड देन पे इट ऑफ टुगेदर, दैट्स अनदर थिंग, बट यू रियली नीड टू बी क्लियर ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट ठीक है, ये हमारी सिचुएशन है, हम ऐसे चलने वाले. थिंग शुड कम एज अ सरप्राइज टू योर पार्टनर आफ्टर मैरिज, नहीं तो और कलेश हो जाते हैं. एंड आफ्टर मैरिज थिंग्स आर सो डिफरेंट बिकॉज यू आर नाउ टू पीपल वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स अ सेम गोल, यू आर बिल्डिंग योर लाइफ टुगेदर एंड उस टाइम पर एक दूसरे से झूठ आपने पहले जो बोले होते हैं ना, वो बाद में बहुत भारी पड़ जाते हैं क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा दिक्कत हो जाती है. इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू हैव दीज डिफिकल्ट कॉन्वर्सेशंस बिफोर you get married and decide whether you actually want to get married to this person or not. And people who are married would agree to me कि ये actually में होता है. People who are not married watching this, please ये सारे questions अपने आप से पूछो और अपने partner से पूछो because this will really help you decide whether you actually are ready to get married or not. तो ये कुछ questions थे जो मैं आपके सामने रखना चाहती थी और मैं चाहती थी कि आप लोग सोचो इस बारे में before you say yes to that dress baby, because honestly it is not only limited to the dress, उसके बाद की life भी काफी ज्यादा chaotic होती है. Before you go and decide on your wedding hashtags or your couple hashtags, I'm going to give you a rapid fire. Do I know who I am without this relationship? Can we handle uncomfortable conversations? Have we solved any tough problem together? Am I getting married because I want to or because everyone else is getting married? Am I getting married because I want to or because society is asking me to do so? Can I handle my partner's family drama without losing my mind? Okay, it's time for some real talk. I was very young when I told my parents that I want to get married. I was just 22 and my dad was like, no, you can't get married right now. And honestly, I was so sure of my then boyfriend, now husband Gautam. I was so sure of the fact that no matter what happens, I really marry this guy. And my parents were like, no, we really want you to give some time to your relationship. और फिर हम वही 2-3 साल घूमे साथ में, एक दूसरे को जाना, and 24-25 में मैंने शादी कर ली. और it wasn't a cakewalk to be honest. I used to think कि भाई पापा मम्मी की सुन लेती, and I honestly feel कि maybe things would have been different अगर मैंने उनकी सुन ली होती, but I'm also sure of the fact things worked out for us because we were always in a position to have tough conversations with each other. I was emotionally and mentally ready when I decided that I wanted to get married, and I think that worked out in our favor. हम दोनों बहुत ज्यादा emotionally और mentally ready थे शादी के लिए. We were very sure of each other. हम financially उतने ready नहीं थे honestly, जिसकी वजह से हमें दिक्कतें आई. But I think when you are emotionally and mentally sure of each other, things do work out because आपका एक वो connection होता है, आप में वो एक जुनून होता है, आप में ना एक दूसरे के साथ रह के चीजें अचीव करने की एक चाह होती है जो हमेशा वर्कआउट करती है. तो if you and your partner are in a position where you can actually trust each other, where you are emotionally and mentally strong individually and together, even if you're not financially strong, I would still suggest that you can think of making it work out because हमने किया था और हमारे फेवर में वर्क किया. Of course we had our parents by our side, but बहुत ऐसे moments थे जहाँ पे हमें actually feel हुआ था कि पैसा कितना जरूरी होता है लाइफ में. When you're frustrated, आपको पता भी नहीं होता, आप ये सब intentionally नहीं कर रहे होते, but frustrations हो जाती हैं लाइफ में. And हमारे टाइम पे तो खैर कोविड ही आ गया था तो अलग ही सिनेरियो था. But when you are sure of each other, when you love each other, a lot of things just सब मैनेज हो जाता है. What actually works out in both the cases, for a girl or a guy, आपको अपने पार्टनर में क्या चाहिए अगर ये क्लियर हो तो बहुत चीजें आसान हो जाती हैं, बिकॉज देन यू आर एबल टू फिगर आउट ओके दिस पर्सन इज एब्सोल्युटली द राइट वन फॉर मी, मैं इसके साथ अपनी जिंदगी बिता सकता हूँ, बिता सकती हूँ. इफ यू आर इन दैट zone where you don't know how to decide whether your partner is the right one for you, I do have a video on that as well, तो आप वो देख सकते हो. And if this video got you thinking in any way, then please let me know in the comments and let me know your biggest am I ready question right now. What all videos would you like to see in the future? Everyone has their own journey. सब अपनी अपनी struggles, अपनी अपनी दिमागी चीजें लेके बैठे हैं. So it's your journey, your timing, your choice. I'm just here to trying to give you some clarity. So if you really like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. From my analytics, I just found out a lot of people are watching my video, but they're not subscribing to it. So if you are watching this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It means a lot to me. I'll be here next week with another video. I make awesome content on my Instagram, quite active there. Funny content, बहुत मजा आएगा. See you guys in the next one. Bye.